In this KnowledgeSmart support video, we will be reviewing your results under the survey platform. So to view your survey results, make sure that you are in survey mode. Head over to the results submenu and then data. Here you will see a list of surveys that have been completed. To view a summary of the survey results within the platform, simply hover over the survey name and select that via a click. Here you will see some summary data and some summary visualizations around your survey responses that have been captured. At the top here, you can take an export to CSV. To return to the results area, just select this button here. And if you wanted to take a look at the actual responses, you can select this responses link here on the right. This will then show the date that the response was captured, the IP address that it was captured from, the user involved, and so on. Once again, to drill down into this further, just select the relevant date. That will then open up the actual response data or survey summary. So the questions that were asked and what the responses were. Now, you might also wonder how you can export your survey results for Power BI and then go and analyze your survey responses within that platform. A brand new feature within the KnowledgeSmart platform is the new data export area. You might have become familiar with this because this data export area is of course also found inside test mode and skills mode. Here, as per usual, you can export the survey data for the parent account or for a specific linked account. Click the Run Export button to initiate the data export. If we then open up the exported file inside Excel, the first thing that we notice is that the file opens in protected view. So we want to click Enable Editing. And you might then just want to reformat the columns to take a better look at the data. This consolidated data export is also the data source for our new Power BI template for the survey platform. You will find 5 tabs inside the survey export. The first one is called GS Questions. General Survey Questions. This is where you will find a list of your question names as well as other useful data fields. Under User Data, you will find the users that were involved in the survey data that was captured. You also have the option to review test results against survey responses, or perhaps use survey responses as filters or segments to your test results. And for this reason, we also included a test result export here. Next up, we have invites. This is where we can view the survey invite history data. And lastly, we have teams. So if your users that have completed surveys belong to teams, we would also be able to segment and filter and group our survey responses by team name or even manager name, for example. So that is the consolidated data export for the survey platform. and this will allow for optimal visualization of this data inside Power BI or another business intelligence software that you might be using. So if you have any questions around this export, please feel free to reach out to us. Our next video will run through the Power BI template that we have prepared for the survey platform and how to get access to that.